Overpopulation and its environmental impact. Introduction: the growing population crisis. Humanity is expanding at an unprecedented rate. In the past century alone, the global population has skyrocketed from 1.6 billion in 1900 to over 8 billion today. And it's still growing. But what does this mean for our planet? With advancements in medicine, agriculture, and technology, life expectancy has increased and birth rates remain high in many parts of the world. However, our Earth has limited space and resources. As population numbers rise, so does the strain on our environment. Deforestation and habitat loss. One of the biggest consequences of overpopulation is deforestation. As more land is needed for housing, farming, and industries, we are cutting down forests at an alarming rate. Every year, about 10 million hectares of forest are lost, an area roughly the size of Iceland. Forests play a crucial role in balancing oxygen and carbon dioxide levels in our atmosphere. Destroying them leads to increased carbon emissions, contributing to climate change. Not only that, but deforestation leads to habitat destruction, pushing countless species to the brink of extinction. Over 1 million species are currently at risk due to human expansion. Pollution: air, water, and land. More people mean more waste. Our daily activities generate millions of tons of garbage, toxic emissions, and plastic waste, harming the environment. In major cities, air pollution from industries and vehicles leads to health issues like asthma, lung diseases, and even cancer. The burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane, CH4, key contributors to global warming. Oceans, which cover 70% of our planet, are also suffering. Every year, around 8 million tons of plastic end up in the sea, killing marine life and contaminating the food chain. 90% of seabirds have plastic in their stomachs. Water pollution is another major issue. Industrial waste, sewage, and agricultural chemicals are poisoning our rivers and lakes, making clean drinking water scarce for millions of people. Climate change and resource depletion. Overpopulation accelerates climate change. Increased greenhouse gas emissions trap heat in our atmosphere, leading to rising global temperatures. The effects? More frequent and severe hurricanes, wildfires, and heat waves. As the demand for fresh water increases, many regions are experiencing severe droughts. By 2025, nearly half the world's population will live in areas suffering from water scarcity. A growing population also means a greater demand for food. But intensive farming practices deplete soil nutrients, making it harder to grow crops. Famine and malnutrition are becoming more common in many parts of the world. Possible solutions: what can we do? Overpopulation is a challenge, but there are solutions. Governments, organizations, and individuals can take steps to reduce environmental damage. Some key solutions include sustainable farming, using eco-friendly methods to grow food without harming the soil. Renewable energy, switching to solar, wind, and hydroelectric power instead of fossil fuels. Recycling and waste management, reducing plastic use, recycling materials, and composting organic waste. Population control measures, encouraging education and family planning programs to manage population growth.
Green urban planning, creating eco-friendly cities with more public transport, green spaces, and clean energy sources.
Visuals, students learning about sustainability, people adopting eco-friendly habits. Education plays a huge role in this change. The more people understand the impact of their choices, the more they can contribute to saving our planet. Overpopulation is not just a number, it's a reality that affects our forests, air, water, climate, and future generations. But we can still make a difference. Every action counts, whether it's reducing waste, conserving water, planting trees, or spreading awareness. Small efforts create big change. The choice is ours. Will we act now to protect our home or wait until it's too late? The time for change is now.